Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arthur. I'm the sales director for ebm-papst Middle East. What better than EC fans to talk about sustainability? Before starting, I have a quick question for here, the audience. Who knows what an EC fan is? For the people who know, I just ask you guys to raise your hand, so at least I understand what the knowledge and the awareness is about EC fan. Okay, I see a couple of hands up. Let's say 50%. All right, so just to give you an overview, an EC fan is a high-efficient fan combined with a brushless DC motor and integrated electronics. Okay, so basically this gives you flexibility on the variable speed drive. It gives you much more energy efficiency, so very less consumption, and much less noise level compared to a regular AC fan. Today, I'm going to speak about some case study we've done. The first one is very interesting. So it's something we've done with Dubai Municipality. Case study with existing 31 AHUs with AC belt-driven fans. We replaced them with 95 EC plug fans. So you will tell me, how come 31, 95? Well, EC fan come with the fan grid option. Topic and the argument was to increase and to modernize the units to have much more energy efficiency and much better control and lifespan of the units, right? So we came up with the applications. We replaced these AC belt-driven fans. So we gave them fan grid options. So you can see on the right-hand side, the fan grids with the Radipack fans from ebm-papst. And from that, we gave the option with fan redundancy. So then it means you have much more control options. You have the BMS access. You have a lot of different options on control because it's integrated speed drive. So there's no external VFD, nothing else. When we speak about this specific project, we have interesting figures. The first one is 60% energy efficiency, one-to-one, with the control and everything. We save per unit 4.5 kilowatts, okay, which gives basically an estimated 0.7 gigawatt hour a year and around $60,000 saving just for the fans. Advantages: better performance reserve, low maintenance, no bed, no pulleys. We reduce the noise in the HUs, and as well as the option of redundancy. If your AC belt-driven fan breaks down, what do? Well, you need a maintenance guy who is available in the next second. Here, the fan fails, you have the other ones who are able to ramp up, or at least to stay steady, and to still provide some air in your unit. Another one, not AHUs anymore, but this case, fan coil units. So fan coil units, people look at it as a very price-driven component and product itself, but also it's very sensitive for the noise. So here, we've done a retrofit in a famous airport in the UAE, where people looked for better energy saving, but also quieter operation and low power. Application fan coil units. So we brought our FCU EC blowers, forward curved, of course integrated EC motor in the fan. We replaced this unit, as you can see, with the EC fans, but with a 3-speed converter to keep the control directly on the existing thermostat, okay? And then from that, we had a minimum downtime installation and much better noise level. It means per unit, we saved around 50% energy, going from 1.2 kilowatts to 0.6 kilowatt per unit. So it gives around 2.1 gigawatt hour a year saving. And if we talk about money, around $200,000 a year for a total of 400 fan coil units. Not only this, we save noise level, 12 dB less than the existing ones. When you speak about fan coil units, and you guys are all sleeping tonight in a hotel, at least many of you, you hear your fan coil units blowing air. With a new fan, you sleep more quieter. And people are looking for luxury not only in energy saving, but also in noise level, right? The last one, and this is the most important one, it's data center. Very critical operations, very energy-consuming product. And here, we've done a retrofit on a fan wall. Fan wall of a huge data center in UAE, a 75 megawatts data center. There was 750 fan walls to be retrofitted. Here, we replaced 2,500 EC plug fans. The argument of the end user was not to say, I want to save energy, because they have money. But it was to say, I have an AC fan with VFD, I want the best option, I want the most advanced technology. So they came and they evaluated our options, and we did a retrofit of EC plug fans, where the argument was not only to save energy, but also to save power factor, harmonic distortions. In this case, EC plug fans with integrated active power factor corrections. What does it mean? It means we have a THGI level, so basically a total harmonic distortion level of below 5%, which gives you a power factor of 0.998, almost close to 1. Still not perfect, but still a good technology. Integrated VSD, of course, and in this case, we save 40%. But 40% with 8 kilowatt per unit gives you 53 gigawatt hour a year. And if you speak about money, and this was not their motivation, once again, $4 million saved a year based on the existing operation. So again, we had integrated vibration sensors in the fan, so it gives alarms to the BMS. We have low harmonic distortion, very sensitive for the power in data center. And again, we saved noise level on these applications. So a lot of different topics, AHUs, fan wall, fan coil units. But the fan is a great component because it's a key component in your ventilation system usually. From all of that, I'll show you a quick video because this is more concrete. You guys will understand what a process is about. So this is an example with a AC belt-driven fan, 10.5 kilowatts. AC belt. Come up, that fan. You need the right partner to do the job. Open up the unit. You have the right guys to do the fan. Site visits, everything. And it's all about having good partners to do the right energy study, the good installation, and then the good after-sales savings. So here you run the plug fan, quite huge, just one product. From that you come and you install your fan grid. So this is basically what OEMs are doing here. We work with OEMs in the whole Middle East. So we speak about all the Asian manufacturers from the Middle East, and they come, they create a fan grid, and from that they come to install the plug fan as a fan hook on the top. So again, here we have redundancy on one item. Test the fan, connect them up with the connection inside, and then close your unit. Here it was a very successful job again by our colleagues in China, because this is the best video we have. So belt-driven to plug fan, fan grid. No maintenance, installation, So we have a lot of options. We talk about sustainability. I think everyone is aware of it. Now it's all about what is the next step. We've done a lot in the UAE. We're covering the Middle East, so look forward to work with all the great partners in Saudi to explore more options on this. Thank you very much.